Hey, so I decided to take this bike for a ride, and I'm heading towards Sihanoukville, and the road has been really bad. So I've already come about, here I'll show you. So there's the bike. This guy told me the road goes like this for a very long time. The road is bad, and apparently it goes like this for a long way. So I think I'm gonna continue. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. Lehai, Okon. So he and I both stopped here. There's a little space to stop and just get my bearings. So you can see the road is really, really rocky. So I'm gonna keep going. I wish I could show you how bumpy it is on the way, but I can't hold the phone and ride at the same time. So not on a road like this. All right, I'll let you know how far I get. Who says you can't multitask? So there's the guy that I was talking with. Pretty crazy. All right. Let's see if I can go around this guy. Okay. Lehai. Hello. Pretty crazy. Still going here. Stop because it's really beautiful here. The rice fields. It's really nice. Each bridge has pavement. That I've noticed. This is the third bridge so far, and there's definitely pavement at each bridge. Here comes the chicken truck. But look at the beautiful, beautiful field. Wow. Chicken and ducks. Well, finally hit pavement. That was a bone-jarring ride. Wow. And then right up against that hill, there's a junction. I can go left to Sihanoukville, or I can go right, and that's inland. That's probably the way I'm gonna be going to get back home. I don't want to go back over this this road here. I suspect that road will take me in through to Cal. So I'm gonna check the map and maybe, actually just come with me a sec, hold on. Okay, so that was a great road for XR. That's what I was hoping to get, was an XR 250, but I've decided to go back home to Canada, so I'm not going to be buying anything. Alright, I better put this phone down, eh? So I took the junction right. I looked at the map, and it's about 4 hours to get home by the highway, because I gotta, or if I went to Sihanoukville, it would be another hour to Sihanoukville, and then if I wanted to use the highway, it's still another 5 hours from Sihanoukville, and I didn't want to go down that dirt road again. So this here reminds me a lot of Cameroon. All these palm trees, like it's farm after farm after farm of palm trees. Really reminds me of Cameroon. So hi to all my Cameroon friends, Jaden, Napoleon, KK, Donald, everybody, Sam. All right, let's see what happens. I'm hoping to stop way up there for some roasted chicken or barbecue chicken. Okay, well, I just stopped for water, and I'm 2 3/4 hours away from Kampot. Here's where I stopped. That's where I gotta go, and then I'll put a picture of the route in the video. Okay, well, it looks like I exchanged one dirt road for another. But this one actually looks nicely packed. And it's a shorter route than if I keep going on the highway. Well, shorter maybe if I got a car, but this actually looks like a more enjoyable ride, so I'm gonna take this. Yes, clutchless switching. Hey guys. Yeah, so I'll be putting a picture. Hey. I keep missing them, don't I? I managed to find a good coffee. I just stopped about 10 minutes ago. This here, see the bridge here? That's a highway. That's a toll highway. And I think if you want to bring a motorcycle on there, I think it has to be a pretty big one. 200cc bike, I'm pretty sure cannot go on there. I think it has to be 400cc or more. That's what I heard. Yeah, it's a toll highway running from Sihanoukville to Phnom Penh. I really like this road. This is a nice area here. And the road's not bad. I think the difference is that this is purposefully dirt or softer gravel. It's still pretty bumpy. 4-wheel tractor. Not too many of those. Not as many, like there's way more 2-wheel tractors. Memories, I remember working those. Hello.